bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Ini biar lebih mudah untuk berenang di laut ya, pakai kata. Jadi langkah yang pertama, ini kalian bisa lihat, ini kalian gigit ya, seperti ini. Dan lidah kalian itu melingkupi semua yang di sini ya. Jadi seperti ini. Gitu. Oke, akan saya peragakan. Air laut itu jarang sekali tenang, teman-teman, jarang sekali. Nah, seperti saya yang sedang snorkeling ini, airnya itu berombak. Ada kemungkinan waktu bernafas lewat snorkel itu air laut masuk ya, masuk lewat lubang snorkel yang ada di permukaan, atau pada saat kita menyelam ke bawah itu air sudah pasti masuk ke dalam snorkel, dan resikonya kita jadi menghirup air laut gitu. Nah, tipsnya bagaimana biar tidak menghirup air laut? Itu tinggal kalian semburkan atau batukkan ya, biar airnya keluar. Nah, kalian bisa bernafas seperti semula lagi. Jadi snorkeling itu tangan kita relatif diam aja ya. Seperti yang kalian lihat, tangan saya hanya pegang kamera. Jadi yang bekerja hanya kaki. Ya, kalian bisa juga pakai tangan, tapi kebanyakan pakai kaki untuk geraknya. Makanya dibutuhkan kaki kata agar lebih mudah kalian berenangnya gitu ya. Dan kalau kita di laut itu bagusnya pakai gaya bebas, karena terutama di tempat berombak di laut seperti ini, kalau kita pakai gaya dada, yang pertama terlalu pelan, kemudian resiko tertelan air laut juga besar, teman-teman.
You should be training for the physical screening test, not for basic underwater demolition seal training. Take it one step at a time. What I'm about to show you is part of a training process that we teach, step by step, to new students. This is to build them up for first phase, where they will conduct pool evolutions, like knot tying, a 50-meter underwater swim, and drown proofing. Here is one of our BUDS instructors to explain more about drown proofing.
First, we'll tie their feet. Then we tie their hands. Then we tie both feet and hands and ask them to perform a series of tasks in the water, such as bobbing, floating, traveling, mask retrieval, and flips. In the drown proofing evolution, there are several layers to ensure that they are confident and competent in the water. Above the water, we have safety observers.
And we certainly do not want you to conduct drown proofing on your own. In Naval Special Warfare Preparatory School for 2 months of basic swim day, you should not conduct risky evolutions. Just focus on passing the physical screening test. No one expects you to swim 50 meters underwater as soon as you arrive. Our training methods are developed over decades of lessons learned and best practices. Operational risk management procedures are briefed and practiced. Swimming in a pool, to work with fins and build up endurance until they pass the water competency exit standard, which is a 1,000-meter swim with fins in 20 minutes or less. Swims up to 2 miles in San Diego Bay.
places anywhere in the world.
PADI's number one. PADI is the largest diving organisation there is in the world. We are a PADI 5-star dive centre. For what we can offer and what we provide on board, we're given the 5-star ranking.
On board here we have a retail shop and equipment. Normally the dives are done early in the morning in the pool, where they do 2 dives on the first day, where they learn about all the equipment and then they get into the pool. On the second day, the second 2 dives are done. They have to complete this to be able to move on to the next section, which will be doing the dives in the different ports.
You might be doing a couple of dives in Cozumel or Roatan or the Mediterranean or Australia, all the places that we offer it. You get to multiple dive sites to get these courses done. They're seeing the fish, they're seeing, you know, octopus and sharks and everything else. 70% of the world is underwater, and we've just unlocked 70% of the world for them. They never would have thought of going to. It's an amazing aspect, and the fact that Royal Caribbean can offer such a program, and some of the places we go and the opportunities you get for the diving on Royal Caribbean cruises is incredible.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell